Welcome back, students. Let us continue the lesson. In my previous video, I have discussed modem. Okay, so in a modem, in what is internal modem and what is external modem. So these 2 points are discussed in my previous video. If you have not watched that video, once you watch it, you will understand the points. So next, the last type of modem, that is PC card modem. Okay, PC card modem is specifically designed for laptops and handheld computers. So PC card modems are specifically designed for the laptops and handheld computers, means the computer which we can carry easily, okay, in a hand. So that is handheld computers. It is similar to the size of a credit card and fits into the PC card slot on notebook and handheld computers. So this PC card modem the size of this PC card modem is your credit card or debit card, or in your terms, that is you say ATM card. Okay, the size of this PC card modem is up to this our ATM card. Okay, and easily it fits in a PC card slot on a notebook or on a handheld computer. Easily we can insert this PC card modem in a handheld computer or in a systems which the system supports this PC card modem. So no cable is required other than the telephone line connection. Here you need not to have the cables. Okay, sorry. So we need not to have the okay, cable, and directly without cable or without wires we can connect. Okay, we can connect our system with the internet. One can remove this modem when it is not needed. Okay, whenever you are not using the system, in that case you can remove and you can keep it. Except for its size, PC card modem is like the combination of external and internal modems. PC card modem is like a combination of external and internal modems. This card is powered by a computer. Now only size is small. Okay, and so it is a combination of external and internal modem. Internal modem is so that that modem is fixed on the motherboard. External modem is this. Okay, so that is placed on a table or outside the CPU. Okay, so now here it is a combination, means whenever you are using you can fix it inside or you can insert it inside, and whenever you are not using you can remove it. Okay, so that is combination of both internal and external modem. Okay, so this card is powered by a computer, and here one note is given. Nowadays it is not necessary to have telephone lines for setting the network connection. So nowadays okay, to set up the network or to set the internet, you need not to have the telephone line. It can be replaced by wireless router. Now wireless routers are available in our market. By using that wireless routers we can connect our devices or we can connect our systems that is connected to the modem, means so that wireless router is connected with the modem, and so this wireless router receives the signals from the modem and we can get the internet in our system. The wireless router allows you to connect your internet connection with any wireless device such as laptop, smartphone or iPad within the home network. Now this wireless router allows you to connect your internet connection with any wireless device. Any wireless device can be connected with this router, like your smartphone also can connect. You can connect your laptop or iPad or other devices. You can connect with this wireless router. It takes the information from the modem and delivers it to your computer. Okay, it takes the information from the modem, and so that information, collected information, will be delivered in your system or in your mobile or in your iPad. Okay, so this is one note. So nowadays it is popular, these wireless routers are popular. No one is using the cables and all to connect the system with the internet. Okay, they have the modem, but from the modem to system, so that cables are not used nowadays. These wireless routers are used. And here no the fact is given here. An internet service provider, ISP, is a company that gives access to the internet in exchange for a fee. ISP means internet service provider. So these companies give the internet connection. Okay, so in exchange for a fee means you have to pay the money and they will give the connection. Okay, The browser will not be able to display pages unless the computer is connected to an ISP. So browser will not display any information. Okay, if your system is not connected to this ISP, then browser will not display any information. For example, BSNL, CP, Airtel, Reliance, Jio, Vodafone, Idea. So these are the ISPs, internet service providers. So that service providers gives the service of internet. Okay, so that is one fact. Another fact is given. Flipkart is a popular e-commerce company headquartered in Bangalore. So this is Indian company. Okay, so Flipkart is Indian company and their head office or headquarters is in Bangalore. It was founded in 2007 by Sachin Bansal and Benny Bansal. So here, so this company was founded in 2007 by these two people. Okay, Sachin Bansal and Benny Bansal. So one more fact, that is, know the fact. Okay, IRCTC. Visit the site www.irctc.co.in to reserve and print railway tickets. So if you want to book the tickets, train tickets, then you can book it by using this IRCTC. Okay. Now when you go to this site, when you type this www.irctc.co.in, then you will get IRCTC website. There you have to type the information about your travel journey. Okay. You can reserve your tickets and you can print the tickets, okay, by using this irctc.com. So now next point is a telephone line. Okay. A telephone line is a medium that is used to connect the computer to an internet service provider. So this telephone line is a medium. By using this medium, we can connect our computer with the ISPs, means internet service providers, means like these companies, Airtel, Jio and all, they are giving the service. Both the connections are available, wireless also available and wired connection also available. But so telephone line, if they give the telephone line, then you can connect your system with the ISP's internet service provider. So next point comes internet connection. What is this internet connection? That we will discuss in next video. If you have any doubts, any queries, you can ask. Thank you for watching.